June 6, 1944. They stood on the beaches of Normandy, staring out to sea. The Allies knew this was a moment of destiny. 2 landing beaches, 2 artificial harbors, Mulberry A and B, rising like pillars in the water. If they were destroyed, the entire operation could fail. On land, German officers watched radar reports ships carrying troops and supplies approaching the shore. Orders were given, destroy those harbors before they can be used. Junkers Ju-88 bombers prepared to strike. Bombs ready to fall on pontoons, cranes, the lifelines of the Allied forces. They knew if they failed, the Allies would maintain their strength, expand the front, and Europe would slip from their grasp. German planes plunged toward the harbor, engines roaring, filling the sky. Bombs fell, pontoons shook, explosions erupted on the water. German officers watched, hoping to see Mulberry B swallowed by the sea. But what they didn't expect, the British engineers were ready. Modular sections quickly replaced damaged pontoons. Anti-aircraft guns, Typhoon fighters, rose from the shore, shooting down some of the bombers. All German efforts failed. Mulberry B stood firm. And Mulberry A, they thought the storm would help them. High waves, fierce winds, destroyed part of the harbor. But American engineers and soldiers worked tirelessly, transferring some supplies to Mulberry B. Once again, the plan to destroy it utterly failed. What made the difference wasn't just engineering, it was people. Soldiers, engineers, standing amid bombs, amid raging waves, never backing down. They kept Mulberry alive, kept the supply lines flowing. Every repaired pontoon, every crate of ammunition unloaded was an act that shaped history. Because of their resilience, the Allied forces continued to push inland. They captured towns, villages, fields. Mulberry, from an artificial harbor, became the lifeblood of the Normandy campaign. If they had failed, Mulberry would have collapsed. The Allies, short of ammunition, food, trapped on the beaches. The entire Normandy campaign could have ended on its first day. But resilience prevailed. Neither bombs nor storms could destroy the human will. The story of Mulberry is a clear lesson in the supreme importance of logistics in the art of war. Maintaining supply lines, protecting the flow of materials, determined the success or failure of the entire operation. Through bombs and storms, human will and determination kept the lifelines alive. Mulberry was more than a harbor. It became a symbol of resilience, courage, and the power of logistics in modern warfare.